This is beautiful and amazingly creations by God. God made the world so amazing, beautiful, and miracle. This is this is from Philippines, Agno, Pangasinan, Philippines. My first time I came here, I'm so amazed of the beauty. So wonderful world. God gift to all mankind. So beautiful place. Me and my husband came here for a vacation. That stone, we call that umbrella stone here. That's formed of by the water. It's a century. It's a decade before it forms like umbrella. The formations of water. This is how God made the world so beautiful and amazing. So beautiful. I hope one day you will visit Philippines also from this place. It talks for 8 hours to travel, one-way travel. 8 hours from my city until here. We Though it's a very long travel, we don't regret to came here because we want to see how God's create the world so amazing and beautiful. I encourage every one of you to come here and visit the beauty of the Philippines. Ah, come and visit the beauty of the Philippines. It's worth to come here even it's very far place.